'cause I woke up today. I'm happy 'cause there's still blood in my veins. I'm happy 'cause flower pots drop every day, but none has fallen on me yet. I'm happy 'cause I got a roof over my head, so I can draw blue skies when it's pouring rain. I'm happy 'cause the world goes round and round, but I can still keep my head straight. It's funny how sometimes all you need is a kick in the head to help you see that you got what you need to suddenly feel great. I'm happy 'cause I wrote a happy song today. I'm happy 'cause I'm not yet astray. I'm happy 'cause the biggest worries in my head are tiny specks floating out in space. I'm happy 'cause I'm old enough to see I'm late, but young enough to think that I will be okay. I'm happy 'cause I'm happy for a change. It's funny how sometimes all you need is a kick in the head to help you see that you got what you need to suddenly feel great. I'm not gonna drive this car into the sea. I'm not gonna let it all sink. I'm gonna keep to the road till there's no more road to keep. It's funny how a little goes a long way. It's funny how breathing is all it takes. It's funny how good I feel today. It's funny how sometimes all you need is a kick in the head to help you see that you got what you need to suddenly feel great. You wish until a kick in the head helps you see that you got what you need to suddenly